How do we manage a divorce situation and bring marriage back to happy married life? It's possible. That's what today's video is about. So if you know somebody or yourself who's going through a divorce situation or going through a bad relationship and you want to bring your marriage back to happy married life situation, let's make it happen today. My name is Mitesh Khatri. I and my wife Indu Khatri, we are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of this book, The Law of Attraction. Let's learn what to do if a marriage has become so bad that it's going through almost a divorce period. Step number one, whether you are the husband or whether you're the wife, whether you're the man or the woman, doesn't matter. This applies to all of you who are going through any kind of a bad relationship. The step one that you need to do is sit at one place and do hope nope no for yourself. What is hope nope no? Saying, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Now, why do you need to do it for yourself first? Here is why. People who are going through a divorce situation have a lot of self-hatred. Because we know somewhere we've played a role in this situation, so we are very angry with ourselves. So the first thing we need to do is clear that negative emotion that we are having for ourselves. So sit at one place and minimum 108 times you need to do hope nope no twice a day if you're going through a bad relationship in life, so that constantly you can give yourself that healing first, that it's okay that I made this mistake. I'm 100% responsible for my life. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Do it with me right now. I take 100% responsibility for my current relationship situation. I'm sorry I created this situation. Please forgive me. I attracted this problem. Thank you for helping me heal. I love myself for improving my relationship. This is hope nope no. Say this multiple times in a day. At least at one time, repeat 108 times. If you do this, you'll start feeling relaxed immediately and your frequency will go up. Once your frequency goes up, only then you can apply step number two. That step number two is now make sure that you write down all the emotions that you feel for your partner. All the emotions. Example, anger, hatred, helpless, frustrated, whatever you feel like you are feeling for your partner, write those feelings down. For each feeling, do hope nope no once again until that feeling goes down to zero. Example, I take 100% responsibility for feeling helpless with my partner. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. The reason we need to do hope nope no for every single emotion, because all these emotions is what is creating this divorce situation or this bad relationship situation. So let's release every single emotion. I'm telling you, you'll see magic happening in your relationship if you release every single emotion. So tell me in the comment section below that you promise that you will do this, or you will inspire somebody to do this if they are going through a bad relationship. By the way, not only can you use these steps in a marriage situation, but it can be even used with a boss or a subordinate or a colleague or a friend or your mom or your dad if you're not getting along with them. For any reason, if the relationship has gone bad, sit at one place, first do hope nope no for yourself 108 times so you can forgive yourself for that bad situation. Now you do step number three, which is close your eyes and visualize. If you really want that relationship back, visualize not that the relationship is going to be good in the future. Visualize all the happy memories of this relationship in the past. Yes, a lot of people say, I'm trying to visualize a good life partner or I'm trying to have a good relationship with this person in my mind, but I just can't. The reason is it is very difficult to visualize a beautiful relationship while problems are going there in relationships, right? Which is normal. So what do? Make sure that you sit, close your eyes and relive happy memories from the past. Okay, that's step number three. Once you have relived the happy memories from the past, really live it, like the time you went for a honeymoon or a time when you teased your partner about something. Did you ever tickle your partner? Did you ever make them crazy, laugh like crazy? Remember those memories. At least 5 happy memories. And then after 5 happy memories are remembered, now do the step number 4. Immediately say this affirmation, I have a great relationship with this person. And now imagine reliving those memories as if they are happening today. Same memories. Imagine recreating those memories. Wouldn't you love to tickle your partner again and have that relationship back? Wouldn't you love to have that hug, that warmth once again in that relationship? Visualize it now. But because you've done step number 1, which is you've forgiven yourself, because you've done step number 2, which is you've released those negative emotions, because you've done step number 3, which is you've remembered those past memories, you've lived it, you've smiled about it. And now step number 4, because you've said, I have a great relationship with this person. And now using those third step, which is those memories from the past, you're visualizing that memory again as if it's happening now. You will realize that your frequency starts changing. Your aura starts changing. You literally are emitting frequency all the time around you in your body. So when you start doing this exercise 3 times in a day, you will realize this frequency goes and touches the energy of your partner. And as a result, their frequency shifts and you will see positive perspective coming from their side too. करके तो देखो, पैसे थोड़ी लगने. You want your relationship back? This is a very easy way to create positivity between you and any person whom you have a problem with right now. Okay? Do you promise me that you will practice this? If yes, quickly tell me in the comment section that you will practice it and you will let me know when you get the results and your marriage is back on track. Do share the good news with me. I would love to hear the good news. Come and join our program called Ho'oponopono Healer Certification Course, where we teach you how to heal any such situation in your life and heal other people and make money and make a difference in people's life at the same time. I want to give you the first lesson of Ho'oponopono completely free. The link is in the description below. Click on it, register it quickly, and when you come for the first lesson free, I will give you an experience called Tears of Joy. Tears of Joy means you literally have tears of happiness. We will release so many negative emotions from inside you which are at the subconscious that you didn't even realize you had them. In the middle of the workshop, you will actually have tears and all those negative emotions will get released. So promise me to come for this workshop, and when you realize that yes, this is something I want to master, I want to learn how to keep releasing these negative emotions and create amazing positive emotions in your life, then join the Ho'oponopono Healer Certification course at the end of that webinar. Subscribe to the channel quickly. Hit the bell icon so the next time we create such amazing content, you definitely get a notification. And hey, you may not have this problem, but maybe some of your friends needs this video. Share this video right now with minimum 3 friends. Take care. Bye-bye.